The impact of industrial emissions on nature cannot be overlooked in today's manufacturing industry. Sustainable energy production, such as wind power, is becoming the trend of the times. As a manufacturer of core components for the wind power industry, Guangda aims to achieve intelligent and sustainable, unmanned production. However, we are facing many challenges.
Digitalization, automation, and the intelligent use of data are key to meeting these challenges. By bringing together the digital and real worlds, converging IT and OT, we enable our customers to collect, understand, and use all relevant data to make the right decisions.
Our shop floor primarily produces high-precision wind power gears. There are 300 sets of precision machining equipment, including milling, gear hobbing, grinding, most of which are equipped with Siemens high-end CNC systems. This includes the latest Cinemeric 1, which supports personalized human-machine interface development and significantly simplifies equipment operation. And the Cinemix, high-performance servo drives, support energy feedback into the grid while braking, saving our energy consumption. The shop floor's automated logistics system further reduced our production cycle time. With advanced CNC systems and automation hardware, our shop floor has achieved higher automation. However, the challenge lies in integrating automation with digitalization to connect shop floor equipment and management software to unleash the full potential of our machine tools. Mcenter and Adaptive Control and Monitoring Suite, ACM, are part of Machinum, the digitalization portfolio for the machine tool industry based on Siemens Accelerator. The Mcenter shop floor management system allows remote viewing of the operational status of the shop floor, achieving 100% visualization. It also allows the viewing, recording, and tracing of actual equipment usage to get insights for optimization. Tool management is key to ensure a smooth machining process. Mcenter automatically calculates the required tool types, quantities, and delivery times, ultimately reducing programming and tool preparation time by 20%. The shift from on-site supervision to control room monitoring brings us one step closer to unmanned production. Adaptive Control is part of the ACM suite that reduces cycle time and extends tool lifetime by continuously adapting the feed rate to dynamic changes in cutting conditions. With ACM suite, our production efficiency has increased by 10%. We also avoid material waste due to tool breakages.
By adopting a digital-first approach, we enable our customers to accelerate their digital transformation easier, faster, and at scale. We will continue to pave the way for our customers toward a sustainable shop floor through our integrated solution.